Welcome to our exciting field trip here at Paradiso. Today, we'll venture into the natural world to discover the interesting lives of animals. From majestic creatures to tiny organisms, we'll explore their diverse habitat, adaptations, the characteristics, and modes of reproduction. My name is Jace Mesa, grade 5 Corinthians, and I am so excited to share this adventure with you. Come on, let's go! The horse is a domesticated, one-toed, hoofed mammal. Their lifespan is 25 to 30 years. They are viviparous, which gives birth to a foal. Their gestation period is approximately 320 to 340 days. Horses are vertebrates, meaning they have a backbone. Their native habitat are grasslands and steppes, and their introduced habitats are farms, stables, and pastures. Horses have strong legs for running and jumping. They have hard hooves to protect their feet. Horses has the largest eyes of any land animal, giving them 360-degree field of vision. They have excellent hearing, fast reflexes, and can sleep while standing up. Rabbits are small mammals with long ears, short tails, and strong hind legs. They have two pairs of incisors that grow continuously throughout their lives. Rabbits are viviparous, giving birth to baby rabbits. They live in groups and dig tunnels to protect themselves. They are vertebrates, and their habitats are in the forests, grasslands, deserts, and wetlands. They use their strong hind legs for jumping up to 25 feet. They have camouflage and burrowing behavior. They have specialized teeth for grinding plants and fast breeding and reproduction. When rabbits are happy, they can perform acrobatics such as giant leaps, kicks, and twists in mid-air. Turtles are reptiles with a hard shell that covers their bodies. There are over 350 species of turtles, and they can be found in a variety of habitats, including fresh water, rivers, lakes, forests, the ocean, and land. Turtles are viviparous as they lay eggs. They lay 110 eggs per nest. Incubation period is between 40 to 80 days. Turtles are vertebrates. They use their shell for protection from predators. They tuck their head, legs, and tail inside the shell. They have flippers for swimming and diving, webbed feet for paddling and walking, and they can also camouflage. Turtles have been around for over 100 million years, and they outlived the dinosaurs. Wow! Bees are flying insects that are closely related to wasps and ants. There are over 20,000 bee species, and they are all found all over the world except Antarctica. Bees are ovoviviparous as they are born from eggs that hatch inside the mother's body. Bees are invertebrates as they do not have a backbone. The original habitats of the bees are tropical climates and heavily forested areas. They can thrive in natural or domesticated environments, though they prefer to live in gardens and other areas where flowering plants are abundant. They have a specialized wings for flight and pollination. Bees have 3 smaller ocelli eyes on top of their heads and 2 larger compound eyes on the sides of their heads for navigation and communication. They have hair-like structures for pollen collection, and they can camouflage and mimicry. Only female bees can sting, and they dance to communicate. Geese are large birds with loud honking calls. Along with ducks and swans, they belong to a group of birds called waterfowl. Their lifespan is 20 to 30 years in the wild and 30 to 40 years in captivity. Geese are viviparous as they lay eggs. Geese are vertebrates as they have a backbone. Their habitats are wetlands, grasslands, lakes, rivers, gardens, and farms. They have strong wings for flight migration, webbed feet for swimming and diving, waterproof feathers for buoyancy, and they communicate through honking. Geese are monogamous, forming long-term pair bonds. I touched the goose! We care and protect our horses by giving them a balanced diet and clean water. We give them shelter for their protection and regular physical activity for their exercise. For rabbits, we provide adequate space for shelter, a balanced diet which includes hay, pellets, and veggies, and fresh water and exercise. We care for our turtles by cleaning and protecting their shell from damage. Their diet should include animal products, vegetables, and fruits. Provide a container with water deep enough for the turtle to swim and soak in. For bees, provide bee-friendly environments. Plant diverse, bee-friendly flora, avoid pesticides, create bee habitats, and support sustainable beekeeping practices. And lastly, we take care of the geese by giving them a balanced diet and clean water, secure well-ventilated enclosures for their housing, and regular veterinary checkups. As we conclude our field trip, we've gained valuable insights into the world of animals. We learned their diverse habitats, adaptations, characteristics, and how they reproduce. Let's apply our newfound knowledge to support conservation initiatives and continue exploring and learning about the natural world. Remember, every small action counts, and every species matters. The future of wildlife is in our hands.